Hello, Space Peeps. This is Christopher Mick with Space St. Croix. I've got another box to share. So I'm getting better at this as we go because at first I was surprised and I wasn't expecting things. Now I'm getting a little bit better at figuring out when things are coming. So again, this is a box just received today that I'm pretty certain what the contents are. And so I'm prepared to try to get better at doing unboxing videos. So what we have here is, let's see here. I think this is just a packing slip. Yes, save that. Oh wow, there we go. So if I can show this. So this is a Mars Basecamp that was sent to me by the good people at 4-H. And it's with support from Google. A STEM challenge kit called the Mars Basecamp, and they offered this opportunity to be sent one, and put in the request. I was pretty excited to be able to, again, the challenge, the rub this year is how to figure out in-person programming and kind of a hybrid scenario. Those of you who've seen my other videos of trying to figure out how to get kits potentially to students, to teachers, to classrooms, where I could have them quarantined and dropped off in advance, maybe tie that into a presentation. So opening the box, try to do this, see if you can see what I'm doing here, so I'll make sure I'm not tossing anything important. That is just the packing material. Here's our box. So I know from the description of the kit, we have a STEM rover. Looks like a couple of those. Looks like three, if I'm counting correctly, 3 STEM rovers. And we have these cool, looks like I have 3 packs of these crop growing Curiosity Mars activities, which will tie into like the game. So I have 3 rovers, 3 decks of these cards, activity cards. And looks like I have some paratrooper guys. A couple of bags of game tokens. This, I think I might know it is either the game mat or kind of a wall poster. I can open that in a second. More game pieces. Looks like a flash drive. And then we have the facilitator guide, which should be me. Set that in here. And that is the box. So I'm going to keep that. I'll open my facilitator guide package to see if there's anything else in here. Oh, this is great. So just kind of walks you through your Mars mission. It'll give the shout out. So yeah, it's those are the sponsors for the kit. Kind of listed on the back there: Toyota, the U.S. Air Force, Google, Bear. So this is really cool. I'm excited to kind of go through it. I'll share more pictures of kind of having the kit assembled, but I'm trying to get better at unboxing things, as my son tells me, when they arrive. So these are just the different activities in here. So I'm pretty excited to be able to open this up. Oh, it was great. And then they have the youth guides, which you can hand out for the students. But these are really great for, and then they get a certificate for completing, and then some great graphics in here, just on, yeah, again, I'll kind of set these up and can kind of show you the fully assembled thing. But this is great, and again, if this is something where I can put it together in a kit more customized for the number of students or the age range, the group that I'll be presenting to on a certain week with the Zoom presentation. I think I can kind of custom tailor this to, oh, and this looks huge. So I probably won't be able to show this in the video, but this is a giant Mars map, kind of a wall poster. So that's really cool. So that is awesome. Just wanted to share my 4-H educational opportunity here. And again, I'll post some photos and videos when that's all assembled and I've kind of gone through the facilitator guide, and then maybe another one when I kind of figure out what the ultimate kit would be. But I thought this would be another thing to try to see if I can put something together that'll work for a certain size classroom here in the Hudson area. So hope you're all doing well. We'll do another one when we get another box. Thanks a lot. Bye.